Due to the tornado that came through, we've had to cut out some of the wood that covered the trail. It's crazy, it pulled trees up by the roots. So we are now at Machine Falls. We're not at the waterfall yet, but we're at Machine Falls and we're about to head down. Usually, during the summer months, there's a lot of people here. It's early spring, and just because the weather is right, the parking lot was packed. I'm hoping that when we get down there, there's not going to be a lot of people there, so to speak, because I do want to get some footage of the waterfall and just get a little bit of footage for a few minutes. Due to the tornado that came through, we've had to cut out some of the wood that covered the trail. It's crazy, it pulled trees up by the roots. You can see it split up some wood. This tree is history. Wow. Check it out. Here's some more footage of what the tornado did. You look through these trees and you see nothing but down trees. There's a lot of trees that got tore up by the tornado. It came through here hard. And you can see right here, I don't know if it shows that far away, right up there, that tree, just gone. There's another one. Of course, you reach the top here and you've got a connector trail right there if you want to take that trail. It goes down and then it goes back up and it takes you to around the other way. It's actually really long to go that way, but we're going to go this way right here. It seems to be the shorter path and it's just straight down.
Coming back up's a killer, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but I didn't feel like walking through the spider webs on the move.
I'd rather climb the rocks myself. Thank you for telling me about those.
As you can see the stairs they put in here. They also put some more in down here that I'm about to go down. As I get to them. And these are the newest of all the stairs out here. These used to not be here. You can see, like to slide down that rock. That's how it was, not how it is. can hear the waterfall. In just a minute I will be showing it to you. But we can't see it yet. All you can see is this. It's coming off the side of the rock bank. Now this is a spring-fed waterfall. There's literally a stream under the ground where we just were walking down.
I'm at Machine Falls. This waterfall is located in Tullahoma, Tennessee. Put the GPS coordinates down at the bottom of the stream. It's a really great place to go. During the summertime, it's a great place to cool off. So I'm at Machine Falls. There it is. Now it's real misty today. I'm gonna put this on the tripod for just a minute, but I'm probably gonna have to clean the lens before I do, because it's so misty up here. And all this is real green behind the rocks. It's real pretty here, especially when the sun shines, which I was hoping it would today, but it's been a kind of overcast day.
Two little trails. That creek comes down here. So we came down here one time in the snow. I did some video footage, but I don't know whatever happened to it. Never made it to YouTube. Literally floating out of the ground. No waterfall. Just floating out of the ground. There's a little cave over there. It's just coming out. Oh, check out this tree. Obviously the one next to it was taken down by the tornado. It's leaning against it and it's probably not going to last much longer. Let's see if I can pan up to there. Yeah, both leaning. It's kind of cool. So now I'm going to go across this water here. My feet are already wet, so it don't make a difference. But here she is. This is the other waterfall I was talking about. And it flows for a lot of the year, but not during the later months of July, September. It doesn't seem to flow through July and September very much. And I've never been down here in October, so I don't know. A little bit of zen for your life. Isn't that awesome? So today I'm at Machine Falls, and well, I came out here for an adventure, built me a zen chair, my own little tower, and just sitting here just relaxing, enjoying the waterfall. I think I'm going to leave this seat for somebody else to check it out. So this is the chair that I built, all out of stone as you can see. And I built it right up to the tree there, so it's a nice little comfortable place to sit, relax, and look at the waterfall. Other people have built some out here, and I figured I needed to build one myself, considering I've never done it before anyway. So this is the one I built. As you can see, it's got the chair there. Nice, relaxing atmosphere. Oh God, it just went up my pants leg. Oh, got me good. When I came across the rock over there, my foot skimmed the top of the water, and the water came up and landed inside my pants. No joke, I couldn't make it up. It's just because it's deeper here at the end than it is over there. So when I stepped and my other foot went skimming past, it got me. And as you can see, it pretty much got all the ground as well. Oh well. So we're going to take the trail to the right today, or, well, we're going to take the trail to the right since we came in on the one to the left. And oh wow, look at Eddie. Oh, ain't he beautiful? Look at him. Here's a beaver, y'all. Do y'all see the beaver? Oh my gosh. Yes. Wow. He's got in a creek. Beaver. He's swimming around. The water, you can see him. If you can't tell where he is right now, he's right there. Sorry, it's shaky. It's a real zoomed in footage. I think he's going to go up in the waterfall.
Probably a family of them in here.
So the beaver was awesome, but I wanted to come up this trail, so we doubled back for it. It's a much shorter route. Now we're going up. How about that? We're going up to the top, which is not going to be so easy. Roots are cool. Look at the roots. Oh, this is cool. And I'm not really talking about the tree, however, that's kind of cool too. If you look at this tree here to the right, wow, big wasp nest. If you look at this tree here to the right, you will see it's got people's carved their names in it. Somebody put a cross. People's names everywhere. But that tree is kind of cool over there. A long way down, as you can see. And I'm going on up. One last look around. Won't be able to see through all the trees when the summer gets here. It's the last chance. Beaver was right down there. It's gorgeous. Looking around. Tornado may have gone through here and done a lot of damage, but this is still a great place to go. And we really love it. The bench we came in. I guess they don't think that you can make it from here to your car.
I know, right?
And it's just right there. That's a weird place to put a bench, really. Back to the truck, and we're gonna leave out. So see you guys next time. It's been a great adventure. Well, I hope you guys liked the video today. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I got plenty more videos coming, and hope to be doing some more very soon.